Presentation. Good evening, Professor. My name is Ledila Morales Cárdenas. I am currently studying environmental engineering at Continental University's Jones T distance learning program and science in my fifth semester. I am additions to my studies. I am a survivor at I am work for public institutions and students and project units, where I carry out topographic survey for the development of different projects. I, in my personal lives, I live when my family meet with and my sons. Once I love you very much. These are my great motivation to continue growing, both professionally and personally. Finally, I live in the beautiful city of Tambabamba, located in the district of Tambabamba, Cotabambas province, Apurima department. It is a wonderful place surrounded by beautiful valleys and crosses by a crystal clear river. I feel very proud to live here. My neighbors every celebration. Good evening, Everest. Like New Year's Eve. I celebrate with my family and my parents' house in Tambabamba, Apurimac, my wives, my sons, my parents, and some relatives were here with decorate this house, prepared a delicious dinner, listening to music. I felt kiss a good or goal for the new year. Before meetings, my brother invited us to you outside and watch the fireworks. I say, let's go outside and celebrate together. We all agreed because it was a great idea. The weather was cool and the sky was clear. To wait and hope the beautiful fireworks. Only 5 moments happiness wait me little, somewhat afraid of the lows fireworks. My wife asked me, can you help Michael and Dow? I am scared, haze in my arms and shower. His tea, colorful lips and the sky. After a few minutes, haze smiled and laughed with everyone. At midnight we howled. I uttered wishes everyone a happy New Year's. At two many family photos. It was a very special and unfortunate day because we spent time together and shared wonderful memories. My lips before and New Year's recommended. Before it, I was judged and fever responsibility. I spent more time with my friends and I had more free time to travel and play sport. No, I am busy because I study environmental engineers and Continental University. I work as survivor in a public institution. Although my life is more challenging now, I am happier because I have a wonderful with a son. I am also more responsible and more organic and before. In my opinion, Tambabamba is the best place to celebrate New Year's Eve. It is one of the most beautiful cities in Prima because it has amazing landscapes at beautiful budget and a crystal clear river. Celebrates with family is the most important tradition for me because it brings love, happiness and unforgettable memories. I teach split New Year's. Even if your family is best way to start New Year's. Thank you for attention.